Cleaning your espresso machine on a regular basis is one of the most overlooked tasks of being a great barista. But taking the effort out of simple duties with new technologies can assist us to be more efficient and productive whilst working. Take the puck press tamper for example, now found in MIC cafes almost everywhere, and for good reason. Now, the Cafelier Professional Automatic Grouphead Cleaner also shares some similar traits in making a mundane, repetitive, but nonetheless important act of cleaning the shower screen and the seal of your espresso machine as simple as the press of a button. Now, I wish I had one of these when I was a busy barista. And we know that having a dirty espresso machine impacts quite a lot on the flavor and the quality of the espresso brewed, so it makes sense to regularly keep that machine cleaned to brew better coffee. Now, flushing after every shot is a great habit to have, as it does remove old grounds from inside the shower screen, but as we know, there does come a point where we must back flush the machine completely to make sure it's clean, along with that wiggle you get with that portafilter, trying to get inside and around the seal to clean any other grinds. And I'm not one to argue with you if you just say, why don't you use one of these brushes? But for a few reasons, it's not always that easy. Boiling hot water can and occasionally does drip down onto your hands, and scrubbing isn't easy from this angle and you usually don't get it all, and that brush, well, it doesn't last as long as you would like it to in most cases. Plus, I suspect the Cafelier's value would be most appreciated in a commercial setting. Working in cafes myself, I know all too well that a brush that looks like this is too often thrown away and discarded of accidentally. Now, the Cafelier uses a replaceable brush head too, and these brushes are on separate gradients to clean both the shower screen and the seal. The softer brushes that are more flexible are for the shower screen in the center, and then the harder brushes are for the seal on the outside. Now, it runs off of a 10-second cycle where it rotates in both directions with a total of 35 rotations to a full cycle, and it is designed to slip easy, so if it does pinch or get stuck in the group head, it's not going to compromise the shower screen. And the Cafelier is compatible with the majority of your 57 and 58mm commercially popular espresso machines, and you place the Cafelier in just like you would any other portafilter. Once it's in, start the brew head, and then from here, you'll see that wastewater underneath the Cafelier wash away any grounds being removed from that group head straight into the drip tray. And then a flashing light on the Cafelier's handle lets you know when that cycle is still running. Once it's done, let the water run through a little bit more, then take out the Cafelier, rinse it a little bit, and you're done. So I want you to imagine this scenario. You're on a 3-group espresso machine mid-service in a cafe and there's absolutely no downtime, but you don't want to miss a beat keeping that machine nice and clean. Well, the Cafelier can achieve this. That last shot finishes, it goes to service, knock out, wipe straight into the grinder. There's plenty of time to come back. It's cleaning, you're back, you're tamping, you're cleaning. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, the Cafelier is done. And you're brewing another delicious shot of espresso and your machine's kept nice and clean and you move on to the next one. Only takes 10 seconds. Now, the Cafelier has also added further functionality by adding a blind filter basket to the package. So you can remove the brushes, add the blind filter basket and some chemical, and then follow the same procedure you would with a normal back flush. So the Cafelier is really a 2-in-1 all-you-need cleaning device for your group head, cleaning throughout the day and also cleaning at the end. And with a rechargeable lithium-ion battery, it takes just 30 minutes for a full charge, and then you get 350 cleaning cycles from a full battery. And that's the Cafelier Professional Automatic Group Head Cleaner for you. So if you have any further questions on this product, add them in the comments section down below and we'll get straight back to you. Thanks for watching to the end of this video, and we'll see you in the next one.